bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Nina and we're outdoors doing a natural light photo shoot. So this is like she's on a vacation, you know, she's in her favorite place in the world, which is by the lake, you know, enjoying the scenery. And she also packed along like some snacks, like some of her favorite snacks that she likes to have, you know, and then we just set this up for it to look amazing. So she's going to be in like this very epic location by herself, having fun, you know, just forgetting about the rest of the world and then just enjoying some time alone. I'm going to be using natural light entirely. My camera is Canon R5 and I'm using the 24-70 art lens. This is going to allow me to shoot very wide shots because where we are is like very small. So if I had a long lens, it means I had to go like very far back before I can get or capture everything in the frame. But this 24-70 is going to allow me to be close to her and then still capture like a very wide shot of this entire setup and what's going on in the back. So you get to enjoy the setup, enjoy her, and then also enjoy what's going on in the back. And then I can zoom into 70 and now take like detail shots, just capture some of the interesting compositions going on. So that's what we're going to be doing. In terms of lighting, we're using natural light, and where the sun is just going to be behind me. It's not really visible in the shot because it's overcast, so we don't have any direct sunlight on here. But still, because of where the sun is coming from, that is going to be the brightest point. So we can use that to still light up our subject beautifully. Because it's soft, it's not going to be harsh, it's not going to be directional, but we're still going to be able to tell that this is where the light is coming from. So I'm going to start taking some shots. I'll let you guys know the camera settings I'm using as well. And I will primarily be using the histogram because that's the only way I can get like a very balanced shot. And this is a mirrorless camera, right? What you see is what you get. I can immediately just turn on my histogram and I can tell already at 1/64 f2.8 ISO 100, it is overexposed. So I'm going to crank my shutter speed up a bit. Currently we're at 1/1600 f2.8 and ISO 100. So now we can start taking some shots and then we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're starting with the very wide shots. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's amazing. All right, cool. Oh, I love that. I love where I'm positioning her a bit in the top frame because I'm shooting down, and that's because I want to capture just a little bit of what's going on in the back and more of what's happening in the foreground, all right? Okay, yeah, that's beautiful. Can you, so that I know you're trying to relax, but don't, just add some shape to it, just a little bit. All right. Oh, I like that when you put your hands through your hair. So let's just capture a few more like that. Perfect. Stunning. I love it. Nice. Raise your chin up. Yeah, perfect. That's so nice. Can you point your feet in this direction instead? Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Currently, I'm shooting in landscape, but I'm going to switch to portrait really soon. That's amazing. Stunning. All right, now let me shoot in portrait mode. And then now we can add a lot more of what's going on in the back. Perfect. I love it.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough.
Okay, yeah. Even though you're like reading a book, it could be like someone drew your attention, so you look this way because of where the light is coming from. I think that will make it better, because if you look into the book, your face goes dark. All right, that's perfect. Yeah, I love it. I love it. So I'm still shooting really wide. That's perfect. Even though your legs are up, can you still cross your feet? Like, crisscross it here. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Yeah, I love it. Chin up a little bit more. Perfect. Yeah, one more. And then your eyes. So bring your eyes, look at my hand. Yeah, right. Let's go. Yeah, perfect right there. Keep it there. Stunning. Okay, so I'm just reducing my shutter speed so we can add more ambient light. Yeah, that's perfect. I love these. Nice. I'm gonna zoom in now so I can get more of her. Yeah, perfect. I love that. Yeah. These happy moments are nice. Cute. Okay, one more. Okay.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
Oh, I love this. Stunning. Perfect. Now your expression, yeah. You need to be enjoying the book. Beautiful. Okay, one more. Okay, one last one. All right, so even though you're holding a book, maybe it could be in one hand and then you're like reaching for something. Let's just try that and see how it looks. Yeah, that's cute, that's cute. Perfect, I love that. Nice. You can also, yeah, and then you can look at me in some of them. Okay, now you can try and bite it. Perfect. Okay, one more. Okay, I want you to be a little bit more happy. Now it's raining, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. One more. Yes, one last shot. Okay, cute. Let's just do the one with the hand down and then that'll be it because it's raining now. Ooh, that was nice. When your hand was down and you're looking up to that side. Perfect. Ooh, stunning. It's raining, guys. I think we have to end the shoot right now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. One more. Okay, let me just come close. And then take like very close-up shots. Perfect. I love these. I love these. One more shot. One last one. Perfect. Okay.
In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Smoking outside, trying to get your attention.